Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce to all of you about one of the finest college of Eastern India, that is Guru Nanak Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Technology. This pharmacy college is affiliated and accredited by PCI, AICTE, MACOUT, NAC, NBA. Moreover, this college ranked in NIRF consecutively for last 4 years within the best 100 college of India. If we concentrate on placement part, there are several sectors where the students can work or students can choose for their own career. Among those particular sectors, pharmaceutical sales and marketing is one of the most lucrative sector. Considering this sector, on continuous basis, our students are recruited by several renowned companies like GlaxoSmithKline Pharmaceuticals, Eli Lilly, Abbott, Nestle, Cipla, Fresenius Kabi, and many more. These companies are the market leaders of pharmaceutical sales and marketing sector. Now considering the designation or in the entry point, student used to get an opportunity to work as a sales officer, territory manager, medical representative, medical business associate, marketing executive, therapy manager, etc. So from this entry level, students can improve their career by working in that particular sector and can promote themselves in the area business manager within few years, and then regional business manager, then zonal business manager. After that, they can promote themselves into national sales manager, and finally they can retire from the post of managing director sales. So that opportunity lies in this sector. Now, one of the most important part or interesting part from the student's point of view, the pay package or the CTC offered by the company. On an average, our students are getting offered of 2.4 lakhs per annum. But considering those renowned companies who used to recruit students from our campus, they offer 2.7 lakhs to 3 lakhs, and considering GlaxoSmithKline, they offer 3.6 lakhs to our students. And in this year, we have a record that two of our students, they are recruited by Eli Lilly and they have got 6.5 lakhs per annum salary. Now the location offered. Considering the locations or the headquarters for the students after being recruited by several companies, that is usually the Pan India, but most of the cases the company used to recruit our students for entire West Bengal and the Northeast India, considering Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Tripura, Nagaland, and in few cases the company used to recruit our students for Odisha, Jharkhand, and Bihar also. These are the few glimpses of campus drive by different company. As you can see, they introduced themselves, they introduced their own company, they used to take the group discussion part, and several other interview steps are taken by that company. This is the success story of 2020. Cipla, this is one of the most renowned company and prestigious company in pharmaceutical field. They recruited two of our students in this year for the position of medical representative for their own company. Gopal Mondal, B.Pharm 2020 batch, and Giridhari Lal Mukherjee, B.Pharm 2020 batch, both of them successfully crack all the round and selected for that position, and they have got 2.7 lakhs per annum salary. Now there are other success stories are also there. Let's see.
Hello everyone, I am Drishti Sinha, final year B.Pharm student of Guru Nanak Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Technology, and I got placed in Eli Lilly, India from on-campus placement. I'm very glad that my college gave me the chance to grab such a big opportunity, and there were around 6 rounds of interviews which passed really smooth under the guidance of our placement team teachers. And initially I was very nervous, but my experience was very beautiful since my teachers guided me and encouraged me wonderfully throughout the process. And I'm very grateful to the faculty members and my mentor for encouraging me to confidently pass through the entire process.
Myself Abhishek Sharma. I am pursuing B.Pharm from Guru Nanak Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Technology, and I have been placed in Eli Lilly and Company as a territorial manager. And I would like to thank my college, my principal and faculties who have helped me in this campusing. And I would also like to thank my parents and my friends and the other persons who have encouraged me and supported me emotionally for this opportunity. And I would like to thank my teachers who have helped me developing me my character and my nature, which has helped me to get this opportunity. Thank you.
These are the few glimpses of Campus Drive of this current year. Apart from the sales and marketing sector, several other sectors are also there for placement, like pharmaceutical production, quality control, quality assurance, packaging, research and development. For that particular sector, several companies they used to recruit our students from our own campus, like Cipla, Fresenius Kabi, Alchem, Torrent, Albert David, Jupiter Pharmaceuticals, Caplet, Imami, MacLeods. So these are the companies where our students are currently working. And this year itself, Cipla conducted Campus Drive along with Freshness Kavi. They also recruited this year from our campus. ASG Biochem, they have taken students from our campus, and other companies are also under process. Another segment for placement is pharmacovigilance, clinical trial, and knowledge process outsourcing sector. Considering this sector, the market leaders are Wipro, Cognizant, Sun Knowledge, Excel Life Science. And I'm very happy to say that these are the companies they used to recruit on regular basis from our campus. And several students are working from Guru Nanak Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Technology for Wipro, Cognizant, Excel Life Science, Sun Knowledge, and for all the companies. Another core sector for the pharmacy students is clinical pharmacist, community pharmacist, online medical stores. So for this sector, the market leaders like Apollo Pharmacy, Shasta Sundar, MedPlus, 1mg, Lifeline Pharmacy, and many other companies, they used to recruit our students on regular basis. This is the median salary graph, where as you can see from 2012, where the median salary which is being offered by the company, which is around 1.9 lakhs. But at this moment, considering 2019, the data is far better, that is 3.2 lakhs, which is the median salary which is being offered by the company. Thank you very much for observing this slide.